Meaning of desirable.
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 Desirable. The term desirable refers to something that is highly valued or sought after. It connotes the idea of attractiveness, worthiness, and desirability. A desirable thing is one that people admire, want to have, or aspire to achieve. The concept of desirability is subjective and can vary depending on personal preferences, cultural factors, and social norms. In general, however, anything that is considered desirable is associated with positive qualities like beauty, quality, functionality, usefulness, and prestige. Overall, to be desirable is to possess qualities that make others want to covet, acquire, or emulate it.